Welcome back to Amazing Violinist channel. My name is Valentina and I just wanted to remind you guys that all these video tutorials are based on the book Amazing Violinist. Violin Method Volume 1. And if you see the girl in the picture, that was me. Yeah, it was a really big project. I learned a lot and it was really fun. Okay, moving on. And we're gonna continue on how to hold the bow. Holding the bow, front view, keep a slight space between the fingers. The forearm is turned slightly towards you, like this. Okay, that's all the time that we have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and don't forget to like and share the video. Bye!